Where have you been, Eileen?
Don't speak to me.
Why am I not speaking?
They're not offensive, it's just whenever.
What did you do to offend
Some
me?
new ones.
Put some walls up.
Oh, get out of here. Yeah, bite them. Don't take that from her. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a building now. Come here. Why are you? He's dead waiting me.
He doesn't like to be picked up when he doesn't want to be picked up.
So if you haven't figured out now, we kind of like to work on cars around here, but we don't have a proper space to do it. We've been doing it on the pavement, on the ground and stuff. So we've been saving up for this for a little while, and we actually bought this, and the crew came down and built it for us, and we're really excited. But it's not quite finished yet. So this episode we're gonna be working on it, getting it up to speed, so we can have a place to actually do proper work. Let's go. So this is the inside. We already got a little bit of stuff done to it. It was bare, but we went ahead and filled all the walls with insulation because we want AC. It's really hot and we want to be comfortable, God forbid. We decided to get some pegboard from Home Depot, and just because we figured it'd be useful to be able to, the whole wall won't be bare, we'll have storage and stuff, but the parts that are exposed will hang tools or mementos. That's from that Harley actually. And we already got lights strung up. We're gonna have a circuit breaker over here, sockets.
Outlets.
Yeah, those.
That's what an outlet looks
So
like.
we have, Dad went ahead and wired this whole place up, and we're gonna have outlets on each wall. And back here, the last part that we need to really finish is going to be a workbench all across this back wall. Cabinets, AC, those window AC units, we're going to get one of those. We already moved a couple things in here, but I'm really excited because we're finally going to have the space to do stuff in. It's mostly going to be storage, obviously, but say in wintertime something comes around, I can just, build an engine on the freaking bench back there instead of being out here in the cold. So yeah, that's what we're working on. Let's get to it.
Careful, dude.
Here, take a look on that mark down there. I got it down here.
Okay.
Hold up.
Did somebody say boom?
That. Hey Dean, that shit slaps.
Sure it does. I was calling more about before.
That shit slaps, Dean.
Whatever.
It slaps, Dean.
That's not. Time for tool time.
Ah, this is annoying.
Because this is how you safely cut a piece of board.
Well, if we had a proper shop and area, we wouldn't have to be standing on the back of your pickup. But we're building the proper shop and area now, so...
Luckily we don't have that OSHA inspection yet.
Oh, we're OSHA certified? Come on! Don't come here, OSHA. You're not welcome here. Ugh.
Twenty minutes later.
Ta-da!
Eventually there will be fingers.
Not this day. Fall right through it. Alright, as you can see, we have finished boarding up. Oh god, I'm tired. Oh, things, ignore that. That'll be covered up later. We're done, Dean, for now. How you feeling?
Exhausted.
Well, okay, you're shiny.
Get out of here.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Well, now all we gotta do is clean up this mess and put all the tools up and blah 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 blah. Alright. This took way longer than we thought. We got all the boards up, cut the holes for the sockets and the window. But we're gonna call it quits because it's really dark right now and I look homeless. But we're gonna pick this back up tomorrow. We're gonna build the workshop table and finish nailing the boards up. So, hey guys, welcome back. It's the next day. I just took a minute to finish nailing off all these boards up. Got the fan running today. It's a tiny fan. If you can't tell, it's really hot. Well, I'm already pretty freaking sweaty. That's the point of this place. But now that the walls are put in place, what we're gonna do next is get this workshop table built. So, calling it a day right now because I got the table like mostly together, but I actually ran out of wood. Thought I had enough, didn't. And also made some mistakes that I'm making a couple of segments too short, so I need to correct those. So we're gonna pick this up another day. So, hey guys, welcome back. Another day in the shed. I'm gonna finish putting this table together, but I gotta take it apart first. So I made this way too big. I didn't even think about it because I wanted a lot of tabletop surface to work on stuff. It's 3 feet long, but I didn't think about reaching anything. And we're gonna have cabinets here and an AC unit here and sockets, and it's just way too big. So gonna have to disassemble it, take all these sections, cut 6 inches off. Hopefully they'll do it and be done with it. So I'm gonna finish this today. Sweet.